We are back on the update. So, andito tayo ngayon sa malaking pili. Ito yung, pag nasa San Miguel ka, ito yung pinakamataas na pili na makikita mo yung banwa. So, see, back in old days, yan, diyan kami umakyat kasama mga anak ni Tindok, kumukuha ng pili. Tapos mamaya pakita ko sa inyo kasi sa kabila, dun sa view sa kabila ay ang picture ng dagat. So sa kabilang yan sa bayan, makikita mo dyan. I'll give you a video later. Pero yun, when we were young, so yun, umaakit kami dyan sa taas dyan. Tapos tinitingnan namin yung dagat sa mga barko. And yun, so I was there and then looking at some of the ships and thinking si mama ay nandun dahil si mama ay nasa Manila. Thinking si mama ay nasa barko at pauwi na. So that's when we were young. This is very memorable. Siguro dito yung yung pili na to ay isa sa mga reason kung bakit ako ng bundok. So I can see what's on the other side and I can see everything around me. So yeah, and I will try to climb up that. I don't know what that is, but I hope to see a glimpse of what is on the other side so that you would know what I'm talking about. Ayan, it was a good hike. Oh, ayun. I did not follow the trail. That's why. Look at my shoes. Ta-da! Sorry, Hoka. I was wearing my running shoes and it's slipping everywhere. So, yeah. Next time kasi, magdala ka ng hiking shoes. That's a good one.